So today we visiting the ARA Shelter, which kindly took the little kitten in we found, and we're just going to show you a little bit around the shelter today, and they're doing an amazing job here. So they also got some charity shops they're running, two, one in Amancil, one in Loule, with some beautiful stuff and a lot of exchange volunteers. All right, today we at the ARA Shelter. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Here is Natalia. This is the little kitten we seen at Tavira market, and we took her to the vet. She's doing good. She's eating, and hopefully the antibiotics are kicking in, so we have to do some more tests with her, but she is so affectionate and so beautiful, and the ARA Shelter here in Loule kindly took her in, and they're looking after her very well, and we thought we'd take a trip out and see how she is. The good thing, she's eating, so of course she's quite weak and thin, as you see the bones sticking out. I feel her ribs, but she is eating, which is a very good sign. But the vet said we should come back after a few days, after 10 days actually, and see how the antibiotics work. She got was diagnosed with a herpes virus, and we should check up on her after 10 days. She's got 14 days of antibiotic treatment to get her obviously strong. Her lungs are a little bit infected, so and she's very thin. So the next thing would be also probably to do some blood tests to see what else she has. But for now we just treated the most urgent thing, and with speaking with the shelter, they obviously have more experience about cats in that sort of state, what the next step is, and they said they definitely will do a blood test on her and see what else there is. But now she gets a bit of time and peace here to recover and sleep, and it's a tough life on the street, and but she's very alert. I'm not even sure how old she is, but she seems very small. Like I said, she's only 1.9 kilos, so tiny, really light, and but in good spirit. She's a really playful and cheeky one. So we're just gonna take you a little tour around the ARA Shelter. Come with me. They have all, when they're born and what breed it is, where they come from. They've done it really nicely, a little bit of background information about the dogs. So they don't only just have mixed dogs, they also got some nice breeds. We've got some German Shepherds and all kinds at the moment. We tried to get an interview later with Joao, but they have a lot of dogs here at the moment. So maybe there's one for you here. Beautiful girl. Oh, she doesn't like guys. Oh,
This girl is called Myra. She is 2 years old and she's a mix and she seems beautiful. Also some smaller guys here. All good. Hello Lisa. Hello Lisa. And she is a mixed breed. Hi Lisa. Let's go and see what's up here. Now they're going for the walkies. They're coming back from the walkies. All action. So here is another zone. This is zone A. A lot of the dogs just being walked now. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, you're very cute. Ah, hello, baby. You're nice, baby. Hello, you cute. You're very cute. You're very cute. You're ageless. Good. Yeah, who is this here? Are you two little ones? No, you're not coming. It's gonna be such big babies. Are you so big? Are you so big? Are you so